What's up, guys? This is James Dean, the sales manager at the Boat Brokers in Lake Havasu, Arizona. Our goal is to answer all your questions regarding boats, RVs, and classic cars. If you have a topic you'd like to see, just leave it in the comments below. Today, we're going to show you step by step on how to install your Barletta boat cover. Let's get started. The case is actually zipped into the cover, so it makes it nice. You've got your own carrying case for the cover. Most of your covers don't have a case. Okay, so I've identified the front and the back. The back has the snaps, and there's a snap on the back of the boat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the snaps to the back. Now we're going to put it up in the boat. Notice the snap at the bottom of the rail and the bottom of the seat on the Ultra Lounge. So that's going to be the back of your cover. That's where you want to start. So we've got the back snapped, had to move the camera. Now I'm gonna do the side. You push it together, pull it tight, push it together and clip it in. That's how easy it is. We clip these in, and then this Velcro goes right here, around the pole. This Velcro goes around this pole. And we're just gonna go through and clip our clips. You want to walk it down and try to keep it somewhat tight so you don't have a lot of slack, and then it would be too tight at the front. There's a little snap in here. It goes inside there. You unclip it, pull it tight, and then clip it in. What's up? If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe below. We got more content coming. Thanks for watching.